Hello guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Ansible modules in detail. So let's get started. What is Ansible module? A module is a usable standalone script that Ansible runs on our behalf, either locally or remotely. Where to use Ansible? Then the next question is where to use Ansible's modules. Each module can be used by the Ansible API or by the Ansible or Ansible playbook programs. A module provides a defined interface that accepts arguments and returns information to the Ansible by printing a JSON string to std out before executing. Okay, and let's move on. This is a theoretical part. Let's move on to the practical part where I can explain you about all the useful modules based on our use cases. Okay, so these are some of the basic and most important Ansible modules which I use in day to day, and you will be also requiring it. So let's get started. First module is ping. Ping module is what is the function of ping module? Ping module is it tries to connect to the host and verifies that a usable Python and returns found on success. If suppose I ping, I use ping, suppose and then the hosting. Then if it returns ping found, it means that there's a connection is established between those two groups. Okay? Second is reboot. This module is used when we want to reboot a machine. Third is get underscore URL. It is used when we have to download files from HTTP or HTTPS or FFTP to a node. Okay, if you want to download any file from HTTP, HTTPS or FTP to a node. Fourth is Git. It is used to deploy the software or files from Git checkouts. If you want to clone a repository, a Git repository, then you will use Git module. If you want to copy a file from one part to another part, you will use copy module. If you want to manage a file and file properties, you will use file module. And if you want to execute a command on specific host, we use command module. If you want to execute a particular shell command to the target on target host, then you use shell module. If you want to run a local script on a remote node after transferring it, then you will use script module. If you want to manage some services, if you want to manage Nginx services or any other service, we use service module. And if you want to set cron jobs on the target on the managed nodes, we use cron module. If you want to manage any packages or install packages, we use apt. If you want to manage packages with yum package manager, we use yum module. If you want to template a file out to a target host, we use template function, a template module. And now you will say that what is the difference between template module and copy module? They both are copying the file only. But in copy module, the file will as it is copied. But in template module, we can use Jinja variable. Okay, we can use Jinja variable so that some of the parameters can be decided can vary upon the Ansible variables by using Jinja variables. Suppose in etc result.conf the entry we want to change, or in suppose there is a file called /etc/host. That file will differ in server to server. In that host entry, that the local host IP should be there, right? The server's IP should be present. So in that case, we can use template to just copy that file and edit that particular entry to a Jinja variable which we have declared. And then the next module is include underscore role, which will load and execute a role. Include underscore task will dynamically include a task. Include underscore variable that in this module it will load the variables from file dynamically within a task. And then a debug. Debug command is simply used to print the lines in the statement during the execution. Debug command we use to see all the steps that is this step executed properly or not. These are some basic Ansible modules which I personally use, and if you will be using Ansible in these modules, you should and must understand these modules because these modules will be really helpful. Thank you guys. Let's meet up in the next video. Thank you.